Good morning all. Hope everybody's staying safe and keeping well. Just a quick introduction on myself. I'm Nathan. I work here at HMK in the applications team. We've recently just taken delivery of the all-new Siemens motion control starter pack, which includes one FK2 servo motor, Siemens S210 drive and S7 1500 PLC. What I'd like to do now is just go through the items, take each item out of the box, put the boxes to one side and then go through the items individually. So if we start with the servo motor. So here, as I said, we've got the one FK2 servo motor along with the one cable connection, power and feedback cable to connect to the S210 drive. Inside this box we have the single axis drive, the S210. Just open this up. S210 drive, connectors and the shielding bracket for when the cable's connected to the drive. And the last box, so we have the RJ45 cable that connects from your S7 1500 PLC to your S210 drive. Programming cable for the PLC. DIN rail to mount the PLC to. This is the S7 1500 CPU and the power supply. Now also in this box we have the 4 megabyte memory card for the PLC, along with the certificate of license. Now you don't need to do anything with these, but you just need to put these to one side for future reference. Here we can also see that we have the Step 7 Professional version 16. You join me now. Each of the items have been taken out of the packaging. What I'd like to do now is just go through each of the items individually, starting with the motor, then with the drive, then with the motion CPU. So first of all, one FK2 servo motor with the one cable connection, power and feedback cable. It's got the quick connect adapter on it, so all we're going to do here is line the two arrows up. There's an arrow on the cable, arrow on the motor. We're going to line these up and then half a turn clockwise locks the cable onto the motor. Next part is the S210 single axis drive, which we have here. Now I'm not going to connect this up now, but just so you can see, we have our power cores and we also have the feedback cable to connect to the drive. We have the connectors for the drive and also the shielding bracket to cover your incoming power. Now also with the drive we have the SD card, which has the extended safety license on. This can be put into the drive on the front underneath the black panel, and that just lines up right there and then clicks in. From the drive now to the motion CPU. So this is a 1511T PLC, and we're going to connect that from the drive to the PLC with the RJ45 cable. Now what you'll see here, so we have the mounting bracket along with the CPU and the power supply. Again with this we have a 4 megabyte memory card, and that can be slotted into the PLC on the front. If we lift this panel up, the memory card can be slotted in right there. That clicks in, that pops back down. Now the last part of it is the cable and our program to program the PLC. So if I just move this over a little bit and open this box. Okay, so in here we have the programming disc along with the USB dongle. Thank you for joining us. I hope the video was informative and give you an idea of what's included in the motion control starter pack. If you've got any questions, please do feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you.